Hello, this is Mr. Daltina from the Liveclubhv, and I'm also going to be joined by Tristal1241, and today we're going to be playing Chaos Faction 2. So, we're going to be doing a deathmatch. This is me, this is Tristal, and we're going to be setting them all to the maximum difficulty. So we're going to try that today. And we're going to play teams first. I'm going to be on Tristal's team, of course. And we're going to start with 20 lives. And for the options, we're going to do infinite ammo and spawn with weapons. So that'll be pretty pretty interesting. And Tristal, what do you think?
I don't know.
So do you think we should add any more options? Which one?
Damage times 5.
Okay, so that'll be very interesting. And very hard for us. And we're gonna do the first stage as one that we customized ourselves, parkour. This one was made by Tristal1214. We both got chainsaws. Wait, what? Practically all of us got chainsaws.
Oh, this is
This
gonna
is
be
gonna
bad.
be badness.
Look
This
at
is gonna
this.
be badness.
Yeah.
This is gonna be badness.
See, insta kill. Insta kill. It's like 2 hits, instant kill. It's like 3 hits or 2 hits, instant kill.
We're so gonna win this thing.
I know.
Even though they're set to the max difficulty.
I know
Yeah,
that.
I got
it.
They'll never get me. Never.
Oh gosh, this is insta kill. This is insta kill.
That would have been insta kill anyway.
Oh man.
He will never take me. Never.
I'm shooting. Let me shoot him.
Oops, sorry.
How dare you?
I didn't mean to freeze you.
How dare you?
I'm as busy as a boo. And I got egg on my face. I'm a busy bee. Battery's low. No.
Busy bear.
Hey! Sorry. I thought you were someone else.
How dare you?
How dare me.
Yeah, dude. Oh!
I think we should plug the computer in.
Oh yeah. I love this one.
Tristal, do you think we should plug the computer in? Okay, yes, we should plug the computer in. So the battery doesn't run out. And we are here. And we will plug the computer in. And things will get back to being interesting. So we'll start. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Let's get back to it.
Why did you kill me again?
I thought you were going to kill me.
I wasn't.
Kamikaze! What the heck? Where did I just go?
I don't know.
I just went to the center of the universe.
I know, me too. Oh gosh! No, I am not gonna die by you. I am not gonna die. Oh, baseball bat!
Wow, that was...
Insta kill.
I have a strong grip.
No, it's because of the 5 damage.
I know.
Oh gosh, no! I'm not gonna die. This is my place.
I just died.
No. Yes, I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna get this. Yes, I did.
Honestly, Tristal, I thought you'd have more lives than me, but you don't. But you're like practically a boss at this game.
That's why I did.
You busy bee. You're gonna take all our business away.
I know. That's what I'm trying to do.
Where am I? There I am. I'm traveling through time.
Man, I killed myself by my own weapon.
Where'd I go?
Yeah.
Oh man, I died. No! I had it! I almost ran off the cliff. Oh shoot.
Really?
Really? You killed me!
Yeah, me too.
Bowling. Why am I stuck in midair? I just died.
Now I'm gonna get something amazing.
Where am I?
Yes!
I think I'm in the Why? How? Don't do I am the darkness! I am the darkness! I'm getting the darkness and killing you. Oh, you're already dead. Oh, no, no, no!
Oh no! No!
That's what you get.
Oh really?
You can't kill me and get away with that. Cannonball. Cannonball.
I hate myself.
Why?
Because I just suicide myself!
Oh, that's a good point.
A guy keeps on killing me!
Oh, God.
Ah!
I'm gonna save you, brother. I'm gonna save you, brother.
Yeah!
Oopsie.
Really, dude?
I'm sorry. Don't scream like that. It's weird. Wait, you're dead? Oh, I only have one more left. No!
That was already good.
I thought we were gonna win. Well, now we're gonna do all versus all.
And we're gonna change one little thing.
Yeah, no damage times 5. That's a little too much.
Damage times 2.
No.
Rage
No.
match.
No.
Rage match.
No, only infinite ammo and spawn with weapon. Because that's awesome.
Dude, but Ray
Now
match,
we do Daltina.
Daltino. Ray match means like that red thing where you get the
I
uppercut
know.
people and down thing.
But still, that would just be madness, and I don't want that. I don't want. This is already gonna be an intense match, and I don't want it to be like too intense. You know what I mean?
What do I got? Oh, I got the minigun.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I got a minigun.
No, you got some machine gun. Some machine guns are my favorite gun, yo. My favorite gun.
Booyah, dude.
No.
Bye-bye, people. I'm just shooting people everywhere. I killed you.
No.
Chicken gun!
No! Powerful gun ever is the chicken gun.
I hate myself.
Why don't I?
Because I blew up and then Because I blew up and then it got you too.
Oh.
Yours! I'm not gonna die by the poison. I'm not gonna die. That's a tell. That's a tell. I died for something else then. Yay.
Good for you.
Oh no!
But I had the dentures. I just uppercutted him into the 15th dimension.
Yeah, definitely.
No! Man, I just died. Good. Lol, boom. Lol, you failed. No!
I'm not gonna die, see?
No, please. It was only a matter of time.
Yeah! Cannonball!
I need to get the gun. Oh, the darkness. How come I keep getting the darkness?
Can you fuck with it? I'm just supposed to kill people. Oh no, I'm still alive. No. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. What
Yeah!
that mean? God. Oh, I'm gonna teleport. My God!
I hate myself!
Hitchhiker's done.
Da-da-da-da.
I'm a pirate. You busy bee.
No!
I'm a busy bee pirate. I'm a busy bee pirate.
And I'm gonna laser somebody in the face. Dude.
Slingshot. How did that kill him? Chicken gun can do whatever normal chicken can.
Yeah, I just killed somebody without you.
No.
What? Oh yeah, I'm unstoppable.
Guys ain't never gonna stop me, cause I'm a busy bee. The busy bees never die.
I just killed you with
Never
this.
mind. That busy bee did die.
I just killed you. Oh! I got you! I got everybody! It's you.
Really?
Ah!
How is that possible?
I know.
Let's
Let's start.
laser gun it.
Yeah!
Busy Bee loves the laser gun.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, you got that shit.
I got the ball.
Oh, well, you failed. Ah!
And now you failed. Oh no! I have the dentures. I have the dentures.
He has a taser. He has a taser. You got the dentures? You got the dentures?
Not anymore.
I got the taser. Why do you hate me? Don't hate me. Love me. Love me.
Never. What the heck? I didn't even touch him. I didn't even touch somebody, and he died automatically. I didn't even touch somebody. And that was that vampire guy. Oh no!
Chainsaw.
I had the bomb.
I got chainsaw.
I got the bomb. Yeah, bomb. Yeah, Bobby.
Stop yelling. Stop yelling. Oh yeah, note to you viewers. Note to you, do not turn this to max volume because I'm sure that will be very loud to your very sensitive ears. I'm sorry that I'm telling you this right now, but that's just how I go. That's just how Squish goes.
Yeah!
Pistol!
You're not gonna kill me. Man,
You're trapped.
I'm dead.
I'm squished! Now I'm dead! I only have 3 lives.
I'm gonna kill you.
No, don't kill me! Please don't kill me. I only want to set you on fire and RPG you in the face.
Oh, so that's how you want to be, eh?
Yeah, that's how I want to be.
Okay.
Life. Yes.
Laser! I killed him and he killed me.
That's bad. Is that bad?
No, because I'm gonna hammer you in the face.
No!
It's not bad. See, because I hammered you in the face.
The glue.
Ah, the blaze. What the what? I went through this. How did I do this?
The dangers. The dangers.
You're not gonna fight me.
Oh shoot! You got the darkness. Oh shoot! Just it's up to me and you. We got a double team on him. I'm just kidding.
Not a team. I'm not a team.
Okay.
That's a fact. That's a fact, Dad.
I knew you would say that. That's why I got ninja wing you in the face.
Ah! Oh, so that's how you want to play.
Yes, that's how I want to play it.
Ah! YOLOing!
I'm YOLOing.
No! I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die today. Not today.
Not today?
Yeah, not today.
Maybe tomorrow.
No, never.
I'm dead.
Oh, God!
Oh, it was fun while it lasted.
Yeah.
Well, it was fun while it lasted. It was fun while I was busy bee. But that time is over. It's over. This game is awesome. You're never gonna die.
No, I'm not. I have one more life.
You gotta get him. You gotta.
No!
Why'd you scream? Okay, so Bitey apparently was a superior of all of us. And that is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment on what recommendations we should do for other videos. And we will see you next video. Goodbye.